central Illinois until 7 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sterling, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dixon around 6:25 p.m. Amboy around 6:40 p.m. Woodhaven Lakes around 6:45 p.m. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.